Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to knit this beautiful and easy cable pattern. You can use this pattern in your jean sweater, hat, lady sweater, cardigan, jacket. See, this is the way it looks like. This is very easy cable. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 6 rows repeat pattern and you'll need to cast on multiples of 4. This pattern is made of 4 stitch. See, this pattern is made of 4 stitch and this pattern is made of 1 stitch. So 3 stitch. This pattern is made of 3 and this pattern is made of 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. You'll need to cast on multiples of 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and then 1 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 19 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 times 4 and plus 1 extra stitch, 4 times 4 16 and plus 1 extra stitch 17 and 2 edge stitch 19. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, bring them in front, purl 1, and these 3 stitches. For these 3 stitches, knit the first one with 2 times wrapped yarn, 1, 2. Knit the first one with 2 times wrapped yarn and 2, knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. This is the repeat pattern. Purl 1, knit 1 with 2 times wrapped yarn and knit 2. Repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 1 with 2 times wrapped yarn, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2. Again, purl 1, knit 1 with 2 times wrapped yarn, 1, 2, and knit 2, 1, 2. Again, purl 1, knit 1 with 2 times wrapped yarn, 1, 2, and knit 2. So we have done our all repeats, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch purl wise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1 and purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2, and then this stitch unwrap and slip, right? Purl 2 and this stitch unwrap and slip. This is the repeat pattern. Knit 1, purl 2, and this slip stitch. Again, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, and slip 1. Leave this one in front and slip 1. Again, knit 1, purl 2, and slip 1. Knit 1, purl 2, and slip 1. And your last 2 stitch, yarn in back, knit 1 and yarn in front, slip 1. Row 3. For row 3, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, yarn in back, slip 1, slip the slip stitch and knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, slip 1, knit 2. Again, purl 1, slip 1, knit 2. Purl 1, slip 1, knit 2. Knit 2. Purl 1, yarn in back, slip 1 and knit 2. And your last 2 stitch, purl 1 and edge stitch, knit 1. Row 4. For row 4, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Yarn in back, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2 and slip 1. Leave this yarn in front and slip 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 2, slip 1. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 2 and slip 1. Knit 1, purl 2, slip 1. Knit 1, purl 2, slip 1. And last 2 stitches, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1, edge stitch, slip 1. Now row 5. Row 5, edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, yarn in back and leave this slip stitch. See, leave this slip stitch here and then knit these 2 first. 1, 2 and then this slip stitch. Right, that's the repeat pattern. Purl 1, knit 2 and this slip stitch, knit. Again repeat that again. Yarn in front, purl 1, slip this stitch and knit this 2 first. 1, 2 and then this slip stitch, 3. Again purl 1, leave this stitch and knit 2 first. 1, 2, knit 2 and this slip stitch. Purl 1, leave this stitch and knit 2 and knit this slip stitch. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 6, last row, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Yarn in back, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 3. Again knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. And your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, yarn in front and slip. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 6 rows, row 1 to row 6, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.